This Faceless channel gets millions of views and makes around $1,000 per video by creating extremely simple YouTube and TikTok shorts. They use AI to create these videos and have an enormous audience that loves their content. Most of their videos have millions of views, and here's one of their videos. So, we'll use 3 AI tools in CapCut to make these videos for free and quickly. It's super easy, and after watching this video, you'll definitely want to start your own Faceless channel. As you can see, our competition is getting millions of views by creating these simple videos. The main characters are animals that transform into various things like countries as warriors, countries as Spider-Man, countries as mythical creatures, and so on, all created by AI. So, to do this, we'll need a first and most important tool, ChatGPT. This prompt is already set up to give us exactly what we need. A table where everything is divided into the topic, the country, and the prompt for generating an image. And I'll break it down for you to make it clearer. The number of prompts. The topic, countries that look like animal warrior characters. The desired format, language, and tone. And also we'll even throw in some examples for ChatGPT to work with. Now once we put this in ChatGPT, the AI gives you the results. As you can see, it organizes them into a table. The topic goes in the first column, in the second column goes the countries, and in the third column goes the prompt to generate an image. It's super easy, and we'll use this to create the images with our next tool, Leonardo AI. So when you open Leonardo AI, you will see this on your screen. Click on Image Creation, and it will bring you to where you can create images. Now, if you see this interface on your screen, go to the top right corner and click where it says Legacy Mode. Click this button and your interface will change. Here, we just need to change the model to Leonardo Diffusion XL and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 on the left side. And now, we are ready to generate images. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into this box. Then click Generate. You will get your images in seconds. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next country, paste it here, and generate images for that country. Repeat this process for all 10 countries. If you want to change the topic from countries as warriors to something else, or for your next videos, just type, "Give me another topics," and ChatGPT will give you another topic with prompts. For example, now it gave me a topic about countries as mystical creatures, so you'll always have a variety of topics and prompts to work with. After finishing the images, we download the best ones. Then, we will go to Pixabay and download the flag of each country because these images are royalty-free and you won't have any copyright issues. So download the flags, and now it's time to turn our still images into a video. For that, we'll need our next tool, Kling AI. Now, if you're not familiar with Kling AI, it's basically a tool that turns your still images into a video. So after clicking the first link under this video, you'll be redirected to this page where you can create a free account. When you enter Kling AI, the first thing you'll see is this interface. Go to AI Videos, then select Image to Video, and drop your image here. Kling AI is smart enough to generate a video from this image. However, this is not enough to post on YouTube or TikTok. We need to merge all the videos and flags into one video. So, we go to the CapCut application and add all the supplies we downloaded earlier. The first step is to add all the videos we generated before and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next is to add transitions between the videos. And the most suitable one for these clips is Floodlight. You'll find it under Transitions. Just drag it between all the clips. Next, we need to add an effect. So go to Effects and drag the shake effect onto the timeline, setting it at the end of each video, right where the transition ends. The next thing we're going to do is add text. So go to Text and drag default text onto the timeline. Click on the text, and in the right corner, select the font, change the color, and add an outline. Then go to Animations. And under In, select the animation spring. For Out, select Fade Out. Copy and paste the text above each clip and just change the name of each country. Next, we have to add the flags. Just drag them to the timeline, resize them, and position them nicely next to the text. Click on each flag, go to animation, and add the animations shake ones and fade out, and you should do this for all the flags. And finally, we just need to add music. I found this song on Pixabay, and it's called Epic Hip Hop. Just add it to your video. To make the video more interesting, I also added a sound effect from Pixabay called Monster Roar. Just be creative and make your video more unique. Now it's time to download the video and watch it together.